Hey guys, it's MC Fix-It here. We have a 2006 Honda Ridgeline, and we're having an issue where it seems like there seems to be puddling up of water on the passenger side floorboard, and they stink like dirty feet or a really musty smell. And I'm going to walk you through how you can fix this. It's kind of a simple process. You may want to get your carpet cleaned as well. You can tell it has happened multiple times. You can see some old rings and even a newer wet spot, and this hopefully will help you out. Here are the two tools you could use. You could use a air hose with a end on it that allows you to shoot compressed air, or even an old clothes hanger, one of the metal ones you can stick up in that tube and go ahead and get it out. We're probably just going to go ahead and use the compressed air because it seems like it works really well. You might also want a bucket so it doesn't get all over you. This is your evaporator cooler, like the end of the hose, and that's what we're going to go ahead and take the compressed air and spray into it. So this has the potential to make a pretty big mess here, and so you do want to make sure you are in the right position so you don't get messy. But sometimes it also doesn't initially pour out water. You have to go ahead and spray it, and then after you start up your car, there is the chance that it will just pour out water. So this obviously did not pour out, so we will have to go ahead and start up the vehicle. So I wish I would have got this on camera. As soon as I started up the engine, I just had the AC on low because it's kind of in the mid 80s here. I heard a rushing water sound and came underneath and saw there's a huge puddle. I went ahead and turned off the engine, but with the engine on, it is dripping like crazy. So I'll show you that in a second. But this actually did fix it. It does not have the water coming into the cab anymore onto the passenger side floorboard. It is all expelled. I don't know if this is something I'll have to redo in the future, but I did want to show you that it did work. I wish I would have caught it on camera, but things do happen when you're recording. I should have just had it set up on the tripod, but I did not. So I hope this is helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment if you do have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching.